So I've been working with my 3D printer and making myself a bunch of projects. Um, 762 by 39 or Grendel, 3 of those. This will hold stripper clips if I figure out how to use the latch. I'll worry about that later. Different types of 9mm, 22, 45. I got a couple for my rifles. All the stuff that I'm printing is in my calibers. So yeah, I got a bunch of those. Fishing rods for friends. And Mike, this one here is yours. There are many like it, but yours will be the purple one. Yeah, so building myself up a supply before I'm thinking about doing a little bit of an online store for some stuff that I have, but I'm not sure. Some cell phone holders for my friends.